Let's discover how to turn your creative drive into sustainable income and lasting freedom. If you're a video creator who loves making content but dreads the stress and pressure that often comes with selling stock footage, you are not alone. In this video, I'll share my real journey of earning over $50,000 selling stock video without losing my passion or peace of mind. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, share your creativity, or just find a sustainable way to do what you love, my experience might help you see a new path forward. Stick around if you want to find out how to keep your creative flame burning bright without burning out. Most people get into the stock video world for one or more of three reasons: creative expression, supporting their own content needs, and building passive income. If you recognize yourself in any of these, you're in the right place. Many creators, myself included, fall into the trap of chasing trends, setting unrealistic upload goals, and feeling like they need to be everywhere at once to succeed. This self-imposed pressure can quickly drain your energy and joy. My story, finding balance in creative work. A little bit of pressure can push us forward, but too much can stop us in our tracks. Early on, I obsessed over clip counts and sales, hoping for instant results. The truth is, that path led me towards burnout and away from the creative freedom I really wanted. Like many of you, I have a fulfilling professional career, but I needed an outlet that sparked my creativity and paid for itself. I made that rule to pay for itself because I had so many friends who golf, have boats, motorcycles, four-wheelers, antique cars, or some other hobby that looks to me like a financial black hole. Although that rule helped motivate me, it also came packed with some heavy baggage. For a while, I was so focused on the outcome, sales, and the numbers, that I missed out on enjoying the creative journey. Real progress came when I shifted my focus to the process, not just the results. Whether you're considering stock video for fun or as a side hustle, the key is to make it sustainable so you can keep creating without burning out. I'm one of the early members of the Black Box Guild. If you don't know what that is, search on Black Box Stock Video, but please finish watching this video first. When I stumbled upon the Black Box portal's promise of creator freedom, I was skeptical. Seemed nothing more than a well-crafted slogan. But looking back over the last 8 years, I see that what I've really built is freedom. The freedom to film what excites me, the confidence to slow down without stopping, and the creative outlet that I truly craved. One unexpected joy has been this channel and the chance to connect outside of my other life, to connect with fellow creators. I just reached 2,000 subscribers on this channel, and I think this is a good time to pause and thank you for being a part of this journey. I appreciate every one of you. Focused creation is the real secret. Here's a shift that changed everything for me. Instead of chasing hot trends, I started thinking like a buyer. What is missing from stock libraries? What would some single person specifically need for a project? When I couldn't find a simple shot of a person, coworker, husband, whoever, taking a Post-it note message, sticking it on his door before he left, I decided to fill that gap. That insight led me to create a whole series of unique clips. If I couldn't find it on the stock video sites, well, I use Envato. I have a subscription there, so that's what I use. I couldn't find it on Envato. So I decided to create that series of shots. These are new. I'll let you know if they sell. But the point is that the idea and execution was seamlessly easy and stress-free. I knew exactly what I was looking for, I knew exactly what I wanted, and I knew how to film it. And I knew it would be used, at least for the project that I was working on when I uploaded them, when I filmed them. I know at least I created something that I needed and maybe needed again. With a market-focused approach, your video strategy becomes clear and purposeful. You're no longer shooting random footage hoping for a sale. You're solving real needs for real buyers with content like establishing shots, lifestyle moments, and business concepts. My best-selling clips have all come from this mindset, identifying specific gaps and delivering what buyers are looking for. Now I create when I'm inspired, when I see a unique need, or I'm doing something I would do regardless of its potential market value, like filming astrophotography. Even when sales aren't guaranteed, this focus is not just more strategic, it's more sustainable and enjoyable. My ideas come naturally, and the process itself has real purpose. Action steps for sustainable success. After 6 years, here's what I've learned. Sustainability matters. If you want to keep creating, especially into your, in my case, retirement, focus on understanding buyer needs, doing simple market research, and creating efficient workflows that work for you. I am grateful for how this creative adventure has enriched my life, and I'm excited for what's ahead. I'd love to hear from you. What keeps you motivated? Are you enjoying the process, or do you struggle chasing sales? Let's help each other grow and be supportive in a healthy way. Share your thoughts, questions, criticisms, and little jewels of wisdom in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Here's to more creativity. Thanks for watching. Here's to more creativity, less stress, and a journey worth enjoying.